Hi, my name is Jeri Fowler, and today we're going to be going over the vocabulary term radiology. But before we get started, I'd like to tell you a quick fun story. There was a medical student who was shocked to find out they were receiving a failing grade in radiology. Approaching the professor, he demanded to know the reason for the grade. "You know the self-x-ray you took?" Well, asked the professor. "Well, yes," said the student. "A fine picture," the professor said, "of your lungs, stomach, and liver." "Well, if it's a fine picture, then why am I getting an F?" asked the student. "I had no choice," said the professor. "You didn't put your heart into it." Well, how that relates to radiology, I guess is a far stretch, but you could say that if a doctor asks you to get a specific image on a radiograph, you better make sure you get that on the radiograph. Let's go ahead and get back to our vocabulary term, radiology. Radiology is defined as the branch of medicine that deals with the use of radioactive substances in diagnosis and treatment of disease. I want everybody to go ahead and write the word radiology on your paper and spell it out loud with me. R-A-D-I-O-L-O-G-Y. Radiology. Now, throughout this course, you're going to be given many vocabulary terms and being responsible for the definition as well as the spelling. You'll be given quizzes to test you on your comprehension, and one of the test questions may look something like this. You'll see a blank line, and below it you'll see a definition. You're to write the proper term that goes with the definition. In this case, the definition is defined as the branch of medicine that deals with the use of radioactive substances in diagnosis and treatment of disease. Russ, go ahead and spell the word radiology for me.
Okay. R-A-D-I-O-L-O-G-Y.
Very good. Radiology. And you would write that term on that line above the definition. With every profession, and dental assisting is not exclusive, but with every profession there's going to be terminology and vocabulary words that you are responsible for knowing, the spelling as well as the definition, and you're going to be quizzed throughout this course. Radiology is just one of them. So let's go ahead right now and let's move on to another vocabulary term.